15 minutes you should solve 25 questions from reasoning. Avuna kada? Ante 20 into 2 50. Koncham fast undali. Aithe what is best with SSC is the more and more you try to solve previous year papers, the more efficient and there are more chances of scoring more marks in any topic. SSC, what is very important? Always concentrate only on previous year papers. Very, 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 very important. Is this clear? Let's start the first question from this Ssc Cgl TIER-1 paper. Look at this question here. Subject, and these letters in the word subject are coded as some numbers. Avuna kada? S is coded as 20. How is this S related to 20? Place value plus 1. U 21, but what's the number here? 22. B 2 3. J 10 11. E 5 6. C 3 4. T 20 21. So each letter is coded as place value plus 1. So similarly medical, what is my M? 14 6 5 10 4 6 14 6 5 10 4 2 13. Which option? Next, which two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? The value should be just 38. ఎంత ఉండాలమ్మా value? 38. Sorry, if I interchange into and divided by, and this becomes divided by and this becomes into. అంతే కదా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Yes or no? 19 divided by 3 ante my value will be in decimal numbers. Yes or no? And there are more chances for you to get answer in decimal numbers. So can this be my answer? No. I'll go for the next one. Into and minus. So this becomes minus and this becomes into. Whatever you do, 72 into 9. 72 into 9. What's the answer? 72 into 9? 600 and enta 48. Huge number, but my value should be almost close to 38. There are less possibility that this can also be my answer. Directly I'll go for the third option. What is the third option? Divided by and minus. So this becomes minus and this becomes divided by. So 19 into 3 minus 27 plus 72 divided by 9. అంతే కదా? సో అన్నిటికంటే ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? బాటమోస్ట్ రూల్, డివిజన్. డివిజన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిజల్ట్ దట్ ఐ గెట్ హియర్? 8. And then obviously next you have to go for multiplication. 19 3s 57. 57 minus 27 30 plus 8 38. Done. A option, third option. Next, Amma, yes, look at these questions here. Navigate. Okay na? When I see the first word and the next word, I see there is change only between two letters. The first two letters. Avuna kada? N became P, A became C. Ante plus 2 plus 2. Okay na? Endukante I see changes between VI and XK. Ante the first two letters which were changed in the previous step, now they came back to the old ones and the next two are being changed. గతంలో చేంజ్ చేసిన రెండు లెటర్స్ని మళ్ళీ సేమ్ లెటర్స్గా మార్చి ఆ తర్వాత వచ్చిన నెక్స్ట్ టూ లెటర్స్ని చేంజ్ చేస్తుండు. అవునా కాదా? చూడు, వి అంటే ఎంత? 22, ఎక్స్ 24, 9 11 plus 2 plus 2. Now what are the letters that are supposed to be changed? GA. But this NAVI will be same kada? G plus 2 I, A plus 2 C, మళ్ళా TE సేమ్. ఏ ఆప్షన్ చెప్పండి అమ్మా. డన్. కానీ ఆ చేంజ్ చేసింది చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా పట్టాలి, అది ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫైర్ వాల్, ERIF LLAW, కోడింగ్ అండ్ డీకోడింగ్. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ డ్యూటీ? Your first duty is to identify whether the letters are same or different. Do you see same letters or different letters? Same letters. So what am I supposed to do? Divide the given word into two halves and then reverse. మళ్ళీ వాల్ రివర్స్ రాస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? LLAW. ERIF, graduate, divide into two equal halves and then reverse. What do I get? DARG. Next, ETAU. DARG, ETAU. Which option is my answer? Done. 4 out of the 4 words, out of which 3 are alike. In some manner, one is different. Odd man out. What's the answer? Here. Kidney, lungs and liver, internal organs. This is a good one. This is a good one. 27, 68, 459. This is not that easy. This is not that easy. This is a bit difficult, Amma. Chalo. Any guesses? Any guesses? (27 into 68 divided by 4 will give me 459. Will give me 459. Is this clear? Yes or no? 27 into 17 is 459. 27 into 17 is 459. Similarly, if I go with the same thing here, my answer will be fourth option. 14 into 68 divided by 4 is equals to 238. Okay, so what is the logic? A into B by 4 is equals to C. A, B, C. A into B divided by 4 is equals to C. Not that easy, this is very tough. But for these things, you should know multiplication tables. Copied? Yes or no? So this is a question which is based on analogies. Taxonomist is someone who classifies your taxes. So this should be related to haggler and bargain. Haggler and bargain. Someone who bargains anamata. Okay. So what they generally do here is odd man out gani, analogies gani, they'll come up with questions from English and general awareness. They'll come up with more questions on English and general awareness. This is clearly related to a question on English. Avuna kada? Yes. Idi. 4 number pairs have been given. Mali odd man out amma. Chappan, what's going on here? Chappan, what's going on here? If you observe carefully here, almost 7 times of this. 47 into 7. What is 47 into 7? 40 into 7, 280. 7 7s, 49. 280, 49, 329. Into 7. Same, idu kuda jai. 26 into 7. Chappanamma. 140, 42. 182. Minus 3. 39 into 3. Sorry, into 7. 39 into 7. What is 39 into 7? 273. Babu, 39 into 7 ante don't do 39 into 7. What will you do? 40 into 7, 280. Minus 7. 273. Minus 3. This okate miss aitadi. Okay na? Next. 9th question. Idi anta easy kaadamma. Very tough. Idi kuda. This 123 is almost close to a 2 power value. 2 square, 4 can be written as 2 square. But this 123 is close to 2 power n value. What is the 2 power n? 2 power 7. What is 2 power 7? Amma? 128 minus 5. Avuna kada? ఇప్పుడు 8 అన్నాడు. 8 అంటే దీన్ని ఎలా తీసుకోవచ్చు? 2 క్యూబ్. అంతే కదా? ఇక్కడేమో 2 7. 2 power 2, 2 power 7. అంటే that n value is 2 and 7. How can 2 become 7? Plus 5. Maybe it is plus 5. Yes or no? So if I do the same plus 5, I'll get 2 power 8. అంతేనా? 2 power 8 అంటే ఎంత అమ్మా? 512. See, 256. 2 power 8 and then 256. అసలు ఎక్కడ కూడా 256 దగ్గరలో ఆన్సర్ కనపట్లేదు. అవునా కాదా చెప్పండి. I am comparing this 2 and this 7. What's the other possibility apart from +5? ఏమవచ్చు? into 3 plus 1. 2 power 3. 3 into 3 9 plus 1 10. అంటే 2 power 10 minus 5 అయి ఉండొచ్చు. What is 2 power 10? 1024 minus 5 1019 ఉందా లేదా? Yes. Clear? This is tough. This is tough. Not that easy. What if the week was 29 June 2010? మా ఎట్లా చేస్తాం మమ్మీ ఇది? 29 to 2010 అండి. ఎట్లా చేస్తాం మనం ఈ క్వశ్చన్ని? Your question is on 29th June 2010. Now this 2010 will come only after completion of 2009 years. So this is 2009 plus Jan of 2010. Yes or no? After completion of 2009 years, you will start with 2010. And which year? Jan. Which month ante? Jan. Jan tarvata Feb, March, April, May, June. June lo any days? In June we will consider only 29 days. Yes, I can further simplify this 2009 into 2000 plus 9. In this 9, how many leap years will I get? Amma? 2 leap years. How many non-leap years? 7 non-leap years. Avuna kada? Cheppandamma. 2 leap year ante each leap year has how many odd days? 2 odd days. 2 into 2, 4. 7 into 1, 7. This 2000, I'll directly take it as 0. Yes? Chalo, Jan how many odd days? 3. February 0 because it is 2010. If it was 2012 or 2008, then I would have gone for 1. Avuna kada? March lo any odd days? 3. April 2. May 3. June lo entadi 1 because you are talking about only 29 days. Chalo, 4 plus 7 11. Come on, 11 plus 3 14, 17, 19, 22, 23. 23 is equals to what? 2. 2 is what? Tuesday. 2 is what? Tuesday. So what's your answer? Tuesday. Clear? Copy fast. Next is question number 11. Chalo, letter clusters, write on the place values. 4, 20. Next 8, 16, 18, 5, 13, 11. ఏమర్థమైంది? Sum of these 4 plus 20, 8 plus 16, 13 plus 11, 24. But 18 plus 5 is not 24. Which option is my answer? Third option. Sum of the place values of all the letters is same. Always remember one thing, please. Whenever you're talking about sum of digits or whenever you're talking about sum of the place values, you should always get the same answer. ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనకి సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ రావాలి. ఒక చోట 23 వచ్చి ఇంకో చోట 29 వచ్చి ఇంకో 28 వచ్చి ఇంకో 27 వస్తే సార్ ఈ 3 ఆడ్ నెంబర్లు ఇదొకటి ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఇదేనా ఆన్సర్, ఇట్లాంటి పనులు చేయొద్దు, దయచేసి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. నెవర్ డూ దాట్. Whenever you are talking about some of the digits or some of the place values, 100% guarantee there should be 3 options with the same value and there should be 1 option with the different value. Is this clear or not? Chalo, 12, 16, 7, 207. What's going on here? 16 square is almost close to 207. Yes, I don't say almost close, but ఒక కొంచెం దగ్గరలో ఉంది, అవునా కాదా? 16 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 256 మైనస్ 49, 49 అంటే 7 స్క్వేర్. క్లియర్? వాట్ ఈస్ 19 స్క్వేర్ చెప్పాలమ్మా? మైనస్ 9 స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 280. ఓకేనా? ఎట్లా చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు మరి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్ అంటే క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఎక్స్ అనుకో, అంతే కదా? ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 13 స్క్వేర్. వాట్ ఈస్ 13 స్క్వేర్? ఈక్వల్స్ టు 407. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 407 ప్లస్ 169, అంతే కదా? ఎంత వస్తుంది? 576. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ 576? 24 స్క్వేర్. సో ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 24. డన్. చెప్పండి నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓన్లీ ద డిఫరెన్స్, గో ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ద డిఫరెన్సెస్. కమ్ ఆన్. 79 11, 79 90 అంటే 11, 11 13 17, 11 13 17 చూడంగా నాకు అర్థమైపోయింది. ఏం నెంబర్స్ ఇవి? ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్. 11 17 19 కదా, 19 తర్వాత 23. చలో 19 23. వాట్స్ ది ఆన్సర్? 139. క్లియర్? yes or no? 14. So whenever you come across this type of questions, what do I suggest? What are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do? Come on. ఏం చేయాలమ్మా? See the left hand side and right hand side. A minus B means A is the sister of B. A into B means A is the husband of B. A divided B, A is the son of B. Every time the first person is related to second person. No problem at all. Y into M. చెప్పండి ఏంటిది? Y is the husband of M. M అంటే మైనస్. M minus T. M is the sister of T. T minus Z. T is the sister of Z. Z divided by L. అమ్మా divided by అంటే son. Z is the son of L. L is the parent of all the three, M, T, Z, because they are all siblings. అంతే కదా? నెక్స్ట్ ఎందుకు చదువు. L into U. L is the husband of U. What's the question here? How is U related to Y? U related to Y. Y's wife. Wife's mother. What do you call wife's mother as? Mother-in-law. Is this clear? 15. Arrange the following words in a logical and meaningful order. Now this is about movies. Ante kada? So first casting, acting, film shooting, editing, final film. 1 2 3 5 4. 1 2 3 5 4. DDT is related to abbreviation in the same way laser is related to acronym. Laser is related to acronym. What is laser? Ma chudu, acronym ante, acronym is an abbreviation which is formed by the first letters of a different words. First letter of different words. Laser ante enti the correct meaning? Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Adi laser. Acronym, first letter L A S E R. Acronym ante for a sentence they will collect the first letter of every word, initial of every word. Done? Yes or no? Science student like తెలుస్తాయి ఇవన్నీ. బాబు నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటయ్యా? ఆల్టర్నేట్ వెళ్దామా? 4 8. Don't write the place values, read the numbers, that's it. 4 8 12 16 20 10 12 14 16 18. 18 is what? R. Plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. and earlier plus 4. Done? Yes or no? Very good. Come on, 18th. This is a question which is clearly based on syllogisms. What is this based on? Syllogisms. So what is this? No garden is a park. Some gardens are schools. First conclusion. No park is garden. Right or wrong? Chapandamma. No park is garden. Right. Kani positive or negative? Negative. This is a negative statement. The complementary. Some parks are garden. Can park go and touch garden? No. So regular conclusion, right. Some schools are gardens, right or wrong? Right. Third conclusion, some parks are gardens, right or wrong? Wrong. What's your answer? 1 and 2. There is no possibility that your answer can be either or. Impossible. 1 and 2. Is this clear? Yes or no? Now this is purely based on mirror images. What's the answer for this? Yeah. Fourth option is the answer. Marine. You'll get it exactly in the same way. 20. 20, what is the answer? మా ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. సరే 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 వినండి ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఎప్పుడైతే 20 లాంటి క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుందో ఇక్కడ నువ్వు తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన విషయం ఏమిటంటే చెప్తా వినండి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు సీ వెదర్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ మన రో ఫస్ట్ అండ్ కాలమ్ నెక్స్టా, కాలమ్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ రో నెక్స్టా, ఇది తెలుసుకోవాలి కంపల్సరీగా 100%. చూస్తే కనుక ఇక్కడ ఏమని చెప్తున్నాడు? లెటర్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ కెన్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ ఫస్ట్ బై రో నెక్స్ట్ బై ఇట్స్ కాలమ్. First by row, next by its column. And you'll solve these questions only on the basis of options. You're supposed to get the code for the word lion. Okay, now look at the first option. What is first option? 0, 3. Row, column. Ante kada? 0 row, third column. Elena? Chapandamma? 1, 1. Yes or no? 2, 3. Second row, third column. What is that? G. So 23 right or wrong? Wrong. 11 ఎట్లాగో రైట్. ఇప్పుడు లయన్లో ఎల్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఐ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాలా? నో, డోంట్ గో టు ఐ, గో ఫర్ ద లాస్ట్ లెటర్ ఎన్. గో ఫర్ ద లాస్ట్ లెటర్ ఎన్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? 33. 33 ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఎన్? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఎస్సా నోనా? ఇది కూడా పోయింది. 22 చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడ కూడా 22 రైట్. ఇప్పుడు నౌ ఐ విల్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ ఫర్ ఐ. గో ఆల్టర్నేట్. ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్, సెకండ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్, సెకండ్ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్, థర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్, థర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్. గో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఇన్ దిస్ వే. ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్? సెకండ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ 65, 65. Is it I? Yes or no? 88. Is it I? Yes. Now I need to go for O. 77, 77. Is it I? No. So what's my answer? 4. Clear? Any doubts? Now this question, okay. What I suggest is, I'll divide into 2 equal halves. Both the triangles in the above and below sector are almost similar. Chappandamma, same unnaya, different unnaya? Exact లేకపోయినా సరే అది మనకైతే అర్థమవుతుంది. అవునా కాదా? ఇప్పుడు చూడు, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this here bigger one 7, కింద కూడా 7, 14. అంతే కదా? 14. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? Go with the triangles which are common to both above and below diagram. 15 and one on the left hand side. How much? 16. Third option. Clear? Now what's the question here? Men, chalo, triangle represents, what does triangle represent? Please write it down healthy. Square represents old, circle represent men. Question, find out the area of the figure which represents men who are healthy but not old ante. We don't want this. Ante kada? Healthy and men 2. Men who are healthy but not old. What's the answer? 2. Clear? Yes or no? అయితే ఎగ్జామ్లో ఏం చేయాలంటే స్క్రీన్ పైన తంబుతో క్లోజ్ చేయాలి ఏదైతే అవసరం లేదో. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఈస్ నాట్ నెసెసరీ అస్ క్లోజ్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ ఏరియా విత్ యువర్ థంబ్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్. Is this clear? 23. Come on, 23. What is the answer? Obvious ka fourth option. Yes. Because square here. Okay na? And then you'll get an extension here and this is what you get. So this I can find only in fourth option. 24. Come on. Third option. 25. Ma? 25 is second option. Clear? Because this is what I get. Ante kada? I'll have 3 here. So in each quarter, how many? 6. How many, amma? Igo. Inte kada? Malla on the other side, 6. Above 6. Left hand side also 6. Clear? So with this, we come to the expression for this paper. I hope you have all followed this. Thank you.